Good day guys, Chef Ben again, and welcome to our channel. Well, I just do hope that we're all doing fine despite the difficulty of the situation we face. Since it's Christmas season nowadays, I will be giving a next dish that would fit this season. This is a kind of salad that I mixed the pasta with fruits. So can you imagine a pasta with fruits and can be served as an appetizer or dessert? The pasta that I'll be using is penne, and then the fruits I used apple, orange, banana, mango, and yes, and also raisins and nuts. And then I toast it with a special kind of dressing, wherein I incorporate a puree of mango into our mayonnaise, or homemade mayonnaise. By the way, for first timer in our channel, may I remind you, after watching the video, please subscribe. And also, don't forget to click that bell down there so that you'll be notified in my upcoming uploading of all our videos. So, without further ado, let us all start. So, okay, now we will start to make our dressing for our salad. For our dressing, we need 3 pieces eggs, 2 cups olive oil. We also need mustard, mango puree, ground white pepper, our salt to taste, honey to go on a little bit. So, okay, now we will start. We will put our egg yolks in here, and then our mustard. Okay. About 1 tablespoon of mustard. Okay. And then we'll start to beat it. And then we will pour our oil. So first we will be making mayonnaise made from egg yolks and olive oil. So we will be making a very healthy salad because we use olive oil and egg yolks. Okay. Because I am not fond of using mayonnaise being sold in the open market. I'd rather make my own mayonnaise because I'm sure with what I'm using. So the mayonnaise is ready. We'll just have to season this with salt and pepper. Okay. So white pepper, and salt. I'm using rock salt. Okay. And then let's stir it. It's a little bit too thick, just like the mayonnaise being sold. So we'll make it a little bit thinner. We'll make it a little bit thinner. We'll add a little bit of water. A little bit more. We'll add a little bit of vinegar to go on the sour side. To sweeten it. And then we will add our mango puree. So this is a fruit flavored mayonnaise. So this is a mango sauce that we will use for our salad. Okay. So our dressing is done. Our mango dressing. Mango mayonnaise. So, now we're done. Now we will make our salad. 150 grams penne, raw weight, boiled al dente. 1 medium apple, cut into bite-sized pieces. Also have these grapes. About 150 grams grapes. Also 1 cup pineapple tidbits. 1 large fresh orange, also cut into bite-sized pieces. This big mango scooped into balls, and the rest is blended for the sauce. 1/2 cup of seedless raisins. Have about 1/2 cup of oven roasted peanuts. So, of course, we have 2 pieces banana that we have to slice later before we add. Okay guys, we will start. Our pasta is here. And then, we'll be adding our fruits. Our grapes. Our pineapple, our orange, our mango balls, our raisin, our nuts, and our apple. Next, we will spoon our dressing into our salad, and then we will toss it. Our dressing. Okay. Then we will toss it. of our salad is done. So you just have to arrange it in a bowl for serving. Okay guys, our Christmas pasta and fruit salad tossed in mango mayonnaise dressing. Well, I believe that I have shown you how to do it properly. By the way, the mango for the mayonnaise can be changed to any puree of fruit that you want for a change of flavor. But don't worry, it will not affect the quality of the salad that you're making. And should you find some more fruits, I forgot earlier. I also added, by the way, grapes. So, last reminder for first timer, please subscribe and don't forget to click that bell button down there so that you'll be notified in the next uploading of the video. See you next video for our next dish that can be served this Christmas season. So guys, this is Chef Ben Casabon signing off, and God bless us all.